So guys, first, so right click to Windows icon, go to device manager. So this is Bluetooth, so just right click to update driver, close, then one by one update, click on search automatically, search automatically for driver and then close it, close. Then next, type services, just right click to run as administrator. So you can see here Bluetooth, just double click, select automatic, then apply, OK, then click to restart, then support service to again restart, then select open, double click, select the automatic, then click to start, apply, OK, 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 this is not right, then close it. So guys, next method, click to start, run Bluetooth troubleshooter, click to setting, then click to system, then click to troubleshooter, other troubleshoot, Bluetooth, and click to run. You can see here it will detect and resolve the issues. Next method, next guys, install latest driver. So guys, next, open any browsers to type Google search box Lenovo Leon Stream 5 driver download and go to the first URL, which is you can see is pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially website you can download driver. So you can see this is there are two type to install, first automatic and second manual. So if you click to scan now in the automatic, so guys, it will system automatically scan your system and require driver to install. Okay, and second, this is manual. So manual means you have to install the separately. Okay, then guys, click to Bluetooth, and this is Bluetooth Intel Bluetooth driver. Just click to download. This is start downloading. It will show, just single click to setup, then click to yes. Okay, I accept the agreement, then click to next, select the install by default, then next, then guys click to install, extract and installing by cmd command. Okay, and then clicks to finished, then restart your system.